All right, so I'm gonna go over my little pattern real quick that I look for on every time frame. So this is LAC. It is October 3rd, Friday, 10:23 a.m. Texas time. So looking here, we've got two green candles in a row. This is the weekly chart. So I don't know if this can go higher. Maybe it can, maybe it can't, but I just know that we've got some strength here, and then I'm waiting for the pullback, right? For a first red candle. Let's go to the daily chart, and you'll see what I'm talking about here. Let me take this study off here. View up, remove that. So we've got a gap up, but we got two green candles here, and then we got the pullback, right? First red candle. Then we got another red candle, starting to get smaller candles, hammer candle, right? Bottom wicks. And then we get a bounce, push up. Here's your breakout level, right? The multi-day breakout level. You can see we push up to test that. Came a pretty long way, right? So probably a little overextended and back in this resistance area. Got a pull. So now that's almost the same pattern, right? Push up, pull back, and then the breakout again here, right? So what are we looking for here? Pretty much the same thing, right? A couple green candles. Does this keep going higher? Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? But then we know if it starts getting too overextended, it's pulling back, right? So you start looking for levels for this to pull back and buy on. So that's what I'm saying when I'm looking at any time frame on this. I mean, you can even kind of, this isn't too good of an example here, but 1 hour chart, here's a good example. Does it set up, right? We're getting two green candles, first red candle. Does this pull back more, come back into this area, this area? If it does, then I'm going to start looking for entries, right? If it doesn't, well, then just let it do its thing and wait for a stock to set up in my pattern or my setup. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much kind of what I'm looking for, right? We can even go on the 30-minute here. Yep, 30-minute. 15 minutes kind of choppy. We pushed up, kind of pulled back, then went up again, right? Quick pullback, respike, and a pullback. So to me, that's kind of getting toppy, maybe getting a little choppy, toppy and choppy. But looking here at the 30-minute, if we can get some more pullback, I mean, we've got a wick here, so this is trying to hold. We got about 4 minutes before this candle fully forms, right? So it'll be 10:30 Texas time. That means we'll get a new 30-minute candle. So I'll kind of be watching that candle, see how that reacts. But that pattern I post in the chat, I mean, that's what I look for on every single time frame, right? You can see it all the way back to the weekly. So I know this can possibly go higher, but what I'm waiting on right now is for the first red candle, right? To start looking for levels, maybe back to this 523, right? Back here. Maybe it comes back a little bit lower, 390. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it keeps going higher here, right? Maybe it just keeps going higher. And then we pull back to, this $7 to $8 level, right? 6 to 8. So, never know. I don't try to predict. I just react to what I see, right? So, if you guys have any questions or want to know what I'm talking about, what pattern, what setup I'm talking about, I got a free Discord. Link is in in my description. So if you're interested, click click the link and join our Discord. So hopefully I'll see you guys there. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Peace.